Vandeham.
The following is a class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 16, text number 23, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on July 13, 1974 in Los Angeles.
Sri Gurun Vaishnavan.
Here, the Mother, Earth, Dharitri, O Earth is being addressed. The whole world is perturbed because the Kali Yuga has begun. 5,000 years ago, when the Kali Yuga began, so all persons were alarmed. Now the Kali Yuga is begun. So many catastrophes will come in. So one instruction is that the earth is addressed Amba. Amba means mother. So the earth is also our mother. There are 7 kinds of mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni, real mother, from whom we have taken birth. She is called Adu Mata, first mother. Then, second mother, Guru Patni. Guru means teacher or spiritual master, his wife. Actually, according to strict moral instruction, why strict ordinary? Any woman except his own wife is mother. Any woman. It doesn't matter whether she is elderly or young. No, that is the way. Still, in India, any woman, by unknown person, he can address any woman, mother. The first relationship is mother. Now they have introduced sister, Bahinji. No, that is not Vedic etiquette. No Bahinji. Bahinji means sister. Mother. Everyone should be addressed. We should learn this. Except one's one wife, all women should be addressed as mother. This is civilization. Then there will be no corrupt relation. If you, from the very beginning, you establish your relationship with other women as mother, then there is no question of other relationship. So here it is instructed, even the earth is addressed as mother, according to Shastra. Dharitri is one of the mothers, 7 mothers. Adu Mata, Guru Patni, Brahmani, Rajapatnika, Dhenudhatri, Tatha Prithi, Sapta Eti Matarismrita. There are 7 kinds of mother. Real mother, then a spiritual master or teacher's wife, Guru Patni, Brahmani, the wife of a Brahmana, Adu Mata, Guru Patni, Brahmani, Rajapatnika, and the queen, the wife of the king, Dhenu, cow, Dhenu Dhatri, maid servant, nurse, because it was also formerly the practice, rich man or mother is not unable to suck breast milk, so they used to employ young girls who has also children. Otherwise there is no milk supply. So that is also mother. As Krishna took Putana as mother. Putana came to kill Krishna, smearing poison over her breast. And Krishna sucked the milk and her life also. But Krishna took her as her mother. This is Krishna. Krishna did not take the black side. The intention was to kill Krishna. Putana came. But who can kill Krishna? That is not possible. But Krishna thought himself as obligation that I have sucked her breast, so she is my mother. She must be given the position of mother. So Putana, after being killed, she was given the same opportunity as Mother Jasoda. This is Krishna. Bhavagrahi Janardana. Anyway, you serve Krishna, it will be accepted. Not anyway. I mean to say, we should serve Krishna according to regulative principle. Still, somewhere or other, unknowingly, if you render some service, that is called Ajnata Sukriti. Ajnata means without your knowledge, you are advancing in spiritual life. That is called Ajnata Sukriti. You do not know. But the system is so nice. That's like this class is going on. These children, they are dancing, they are offering obeisances, they are offering a flower. They do not know what they are doing, but it will not go in vain. This is Krishna consciousness. These things are becoming assets one after another. Just like if you keep money in the bank, daily you save, it is increasing your bank balance. Similarly, these children, although they do not know what is this class, what is Prabhupada is speaking, why you are offering, they are imitating. They are imitating, offering obeisances. We used to do so. Every child does so. So if the mother is a devotee, the child automatically becomes a devotee. Without any effort. If the father and mother is devotee, therefore, Suchinang Simatangehi Yoga Brashta Sanjayati. Krishna says that those who are Yoga Brashta could not fulfill the whole program of devotional service, somewhere or other fallen down. So, they are given chance, another chance. What is their chance? The chance is, he is given a human form of life and born in a devotee's house. So that from the very beginning of life, he will again be in connection with devotional service. So these children, they are not ordinary children. Formerly, they are also devotees, somehow or other could not fulfill the whole program. Now Krishna has given the chance to take birth in the womb of a devotee mother, so that from the very beginning of life they are learning devotion. So, the mother and father also should be careful that they are Vaishnavas, they have come under my care, so that he may not be spoiled. Let him become a perfect Vaishnava and his life become perfect. This is very nice program. So mother, Dharitri is mother. So he is asking whether mother is lamenting because Krishna, bhuri bharavatara kitavatarasya hare. After the battle of Kurukshetra, Krishna disappeared from this earth. And Krishna went back to his abode. So Krishna comes here, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Paritranayam sadhuna vinashaya ca duskritam. So Krishna appeared to kill so many demons at that time. Whenever there will be demons, Krishna will come. At the present moment, now, the world is full of demons. Therefore, Krishna has come in the form of Hare Krishna. That is Krishna avatar. Kali Yuge Nama Rupe avatar. You don't think that Krishna, this vibration, Krishna is different from that Krishna. The same Krishna. The same Krishna, if you say that why he does not come to kill the demons, that is his great sympathy, mercy, that you are already killed. You see? What another killing? So, we are already dead. Therefore, we are so fallen that it does not require any more killing, mercifulness. You see? The demand, therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, merciful. Papi tapi jato chilo hari name uddharilo. All the demons full of sinful activities, they are to be delivered by this weapon, Hare Krishna. Otherwise, killing is going on. So it is now sympathy. Therefore, when Jagai Madhai insulted Nityananda, immediately Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and wanted to kill them. Nityananda reminded, sir, you have promised in this your incarnation will not kill. Then he was satisfied and delivered the demons. Delivered the demons. Nityananda Prabhu is therefore so kind. Nityananda Prabhu is Guru. Is so kind that in spite of being injured by Jagai Madhai, he delivered them. He requested Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, Paritrana sadhuna vinasaya chutiskitam, there was two sections. One section sadhu and one section demon. That was the idea. Even when Krishna appeared, there were two sections. Now everyone is demon. Then if the killing program is taken, then Thagvaste Gaujor, then everything will be finished. Therefore there is no killing program by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is killing program, it is killing the sinful activities. Papi tapi jato chilo hariname, simply by chanting. He will not be killed, but his activities, sinful activities will be killed. This is the program. So, when Mother Earth was lamenting, now Krishna has gone, who will give us protection? But Krishna gives protection. Paritrana sadhana, vinasaya, two different duties, to give protection to the sadhus, to the devotees, and to cool the demon. So, another word is this, antarhitasya smrati visishtya karmani nirbana vilambitani. Nirbana karma. This is Srimad Bhagavatam. Try to understand seriously. We are here in this life, human form of life. We should not be lazy. Laziness is not required. Karmani. We should be active. What for? No, nirbana. Nirbana means finishing this material life. That's called nirbana. The Buddha philosophy, they take it Nibbana. Their philosophy is Nibbana means to stop the feelings of pains and pleasure. So their philosophy is that the pains and pleasure, not only their philosophy, we also know, Bhagavad Gita also says, matra sparsastu sitoshno sukha dukkada. The worldly pains and pleasure. What is due to? It is due to this material body. Matra spas. Matra means the skin. Because we have got this skin, in winter, the water is there, we feel pain, pinching. And because it is summer, the same water pleasing. So, the condition of the skin according to the season is changing, therefore we are feeling pains and pleasure. Otherwise there is no pain, pleasure. Just try to understand. Because we are covered by the skin, therefore we are feeling pains and pleasure. If you become uncovered, free from the skinly covering, then there is no pains and pleasure. So that is our main business. How to get out of this material body of skins and bones. That is real business. But these rascals do not know what is real business. They want to maintain the skin and bone by another skin and bone. That is their problem. So, this foolish civilization, they do not know what is civilization, what is the aim of life, what we should do. Nothing, no program. Simply just like animals, and kill animals and eat and be merry, and to digest meat, you drink also, one after another, and as soon as there is drinking and then there is illicit sex, and so many things complicated. Therefore Bhagavad Gita warns, Jagyarthe karmannatra lokayam karma bandhana. You must work, you should not be idle, but jagyarthe for Krishna. Then you will not be implicated. Otherwise you will be implicated. By the grace of Maya, you will be so implicated that you have got this human form of life, and after the giving up this body, you will have to accept according to your karma one of the 8,400,000 species of life. Maybe it may be a tree, it may be a cat, it may be a dog, or it may be something lower grade. Because in this age, our activities are all sinful, lower grade. Therefore, you cannot expect higher grade life. That is not possible. Higher grade life you can get. You can go in the higher planetary system, you can get long duration of life, better comfort, better nice body. There are arrangements. Sargaloka, Bhut Bhuva Om, Bhut Bhuva Sat, Tatsavidu Varannam, Bhargadeva Sadhime. And there are 3 lokas, Bhut Bhuva Sat. So, Sarva heavenly, they know some information. There is heavenly planet. Actually, there is. There are. Sargalok is not so very comfortable. Above the Sargalok, there is Janalok, Mahalok, Tapalok, Satalok, Brahmalok, like that. 7 lokas. So who will go there? Urdhangachanti sattasva. If you are situated in the modes of goodness, then you can be promoted to the higher planetary system. And madhya tishtanti rajasa. And if you are in the modes of passion, then you will remain within this bhut bhuvasha, 3 words. And jaganna guna vittistha adhogachanti tamasa. And if you are simply in darkness, you do not know how to enjoy spiritual life or material life, just like cats and dogs, then you are degraded. You take the body of trees, plants, lower animals, insects, worms of the stool, and so many things. So I should know that. So Nibbana, actually, there is no benefit. Even if I go to the highest planetary system with very, very long duration of life and material comfort, that is not actual benefit. Therefore Krishna says, Abrahma bhuvana lokan punaravartina Arjuna. My dear Arjuna, Even if you are promoted to the Brahma Loka, the highest planetary system, still it is not safe because the death is there. And if you come to my place, no, there is no. That is called Nibbana. Our business is to finish this material existence and go back to home, that is real business. So here the Dharmaraj is lamenting on account of absence of Krishna, our real business, Nibbana, is being delayed. Therefore are you lamenting, Mother? So Krishna is so kind that although he is not present at the present moment, still in the form of his holy name he is present. You can take still advantage of Krishna's name by chanting this Hare Krishna mantra. You can take. Don't think that when you chant Krishna, this name Krishna is different from the Krishna person. No, they are the same. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Shuddha Nitya Mukta Abhinnatyat Nama Namina. This is the Shastric Indian. Abhinnatyat Nama Namina. Nama, the holy name of Krishna, and Krishna, they are not different. Abhinna. Abhinna means not separate. The same. So, take advantage of this life and take advantage of this Hare Krishna mantra and make your life successful. Thank you very much.